name. Oh, hey, look at that. They just leave me. Instead, say fire truck. It's so easy. And I'd like to take a moment, just sit right there. I'll tell you how you can't say fire truck anywhere.
Stub your toe. Fire truck.
Lose your cash.
Fire truck. You're naked and your parents come home. Fire truck.
Fail your class.
Fire truck. Scratch your ass. Fire truck.
Clip your nails too short and it hurts.
Fire truck. Grab your pants. Fire truck.
Bite your tongue.
Fire truck. No one shows up to your party. Fire truck.
Red ring of death.
Fire truck. Forget to breathe. Fire truck.
Found out your mom is your dad.
Fire truck. Say fire truck every chance you see. It's even more fun when it gets bleak. Say it with me now. Don't make this suck.
Whoa, man, did you just say
No, man, I just said fire truck.
But when you bleep it, it says fuck.
Who cares, man? We're saying fire truck. Lose your teeth. Fire truck.
iPhone bill?
Fire truck. Jonas Brothers stuck in your head. Fire truck.
Crash your car.
Fire truck. Until your dog. Fire truck.
Turns out your dog is your mom.
Fire truck.
Wait, so now my mom's a dog?
And your dad.
This is just getting ridiculous.
You act like it's not normal.
It isn't normal.
It is in Canada.
So they have man-dog women in Canada.
Yes.
Fail science.
Fire truck. Eat a pencil.
Fire truck.
There's over 500 Pokemon?
What the fire truck?
Lose the game.
Fire truck.
David Blaine!
Fire truck.
Get ran over by ya.
What?
Fire truck.
Yeah. Next time you want to say the F word, just say fire truck. It's more polite.
And if you didn't like this song, go...
Hey, I'm back. Yeah. That's right.
Yep.
Birdman.
Yep.
They gonna have to call it off. Bird about it. I told them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fireman, fire for fireman. Got that fire, I'm hot. That fire coming down. You can spark it up and I'ma put you out. Get 'em. You can spark it up and I'ma put you out. Ain't nobody fucking with me, man. He man, ski man, spending next week's cash. He fast, and I don't even need a G-Pass. I'm past that. I'm passing them out now, and you can't have that. And my chain too can't Sam that. Tropical colors, you can't match that. Gotta be abstract. You catch my girl legs open, better smash that. Don't be surprised if she asks where the cash at. I see she wearing them jeans that show her butt crack. My girls can't wear that. Why? That's where my stash at. I put my Mac down. That's where you lack at. She need a candle lit, and I'ma wax that. I rekindled the flame. She remembered the name. It's Weezy Baby, January, December the same. Mama give me that brain. Mama give me that good. Cause I'm the fireman. You hear the fire truck. Fresh on campus, it's the Birdman Jr. Money too long, teachers put away your rulers. Raw tune, not a cartoon. No shirt, tattoos, and some wall wounds.
Sexy.
I'm hot, but the car cool. She wet, that's a carpool. Been in that water since a youngin', you just shark food. Quick draw McGraw, I went to art school. Yeah, the lights is bright, but I got a sharp fuse. Don't snooze, been handling the game so long, my thumb's bruised. Your new girlfriend is old news. You ain't got enough green and she's so blue. Yeah, cash money breakfast where dreams come true. Everything is easy, baby. Leave it up to Weezy, baby. Put it in a pot, let it steam, let it brew. Now watch it melt, don't burn yourself good. Riding by myself, well, really not really. So heavy in the trunk, make the car pop a wheelie. Who? We see baby, you call me young baby. My money 360, you only 180. half of the game too lazy. Still sleeping on me, but I'm about to wake them. Yep, I'm about to take them to New Orleans and bake them. Yeah, it's hot down here. Take a walk with Satan. Yeah. Come on, mama, let the Carter make ya. Toss it like a fruit salad, strawberry grape, yeah. They ball when they can, and I'm balling by nature. Addicted to the game like Jordan and Peyton. Y'all in the racing, me, I'm at the finish line. Been running for too long, it's time to give me mine. Straight down your chimney in your living room is Weezy, allergic to wintertime.
I'ma put you out.
Legal. Legal. Look at me now. Look at me now. Oh. Look at me now. Look at me now. Yellow bottle cheese. Yellow bottle sipping. Yellow Lamborghini. Yellow top missing. Yeah, yeah. That shit look like a two. Hey, I get what you get in 10 years. In 2 days. Ladies love me. I'm on my cool J. If you get what I get, what would you say? She wax it all off. Mr. Miyagi. And them suicide doors. Ari Kari. Look at me now. Look at me now. Oh. I'm getting paper. Look at me now. Oh. Look at me now. Yeah. Look at me now. Look at me now. Oh. I'm getting paper. Look at me now. Oh. Look at me now. Yeah. Fresh motherfucker.
Hell breezy. Let me show you how to keep the dice rolling when you're doing that thing over there, homie. Let's go! Cause I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away. Better know that I don't and I won't ever stop. Cause you know I gotta win every day. See, you really wanna pop me. Just know that you will never pop me. And I know that I gotta be a little cocky. You ain't never gonna stop me. Every time I come a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go and then I gotta get it, then I gotta flow and then I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think that he be doing, cause it doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna dead it. Then I'm gonna murder everything and anything about a boom, about a bang. I gotta do a lot of things to make it clearer to a couple niggas that I always win, and then I gotta get it again and again and again. And I be doing it to death, and now I move a little power. Nigga better call a rap, and everybody know my style. Niggas know that I'm the best when it come to doing this. And I be banging on my chest, and I'm banging the east, and I'm banging in the west. And I kinda give you more, and I will never give you less. You will hear it in the street, and you can read it in the press. Do you really wanna know what's that? Let's go. See the way we on it, and we all up in the race. And you know we gotta go and try to keep up with the pace. And we struggle and the hustle, and the set it, and to get it. And we always gotta do to take it to another place. Gotta taste it, and I gotta grab it, and I gotta cut all through this traffic. Just to be at the top of the throne, but I know I gotta have it.
Look at me now. Look at me now. Oh. Look at me now, oh, look at me now, yeah.
Fresh to the ball. Fuck these bitch ass niggas, how y'all doing? I'm the tunche, I'm a nuisance. I go stupid, I go dumb like the Three Stooges. I don't eat sushi, I'm in shit, no, I'm pollution, no substitution. Got a bitch that play their movies in my jacuzzi, pussy juicy. I never give a fuck about a hater, got money on my radar. Dressed like a skater, got a big house, came with an elevator. You niggas ain't eating, fucking pedal waiter. All they say shoot 'em and I say okay. If you want that bullshit, then I'm like, oh, Nate, I don't care what you say. So don't even speak. Your girlfriend a freak like circus and late. That's where my flag. And my flag red. I'm out of my head, bitch. I'm out of my mind. From the bottom of my climb. You ain't hotter than mine. Nope, not on my time. And I'm not even trying. What's poppin', slime? Nothing five. And if they trippin', fuck them five. I ain't got no time to shuck and jive. These niggas is sweet as pumpkin pie. So I can spite on a private flight, bitch. I've been tight and got in life. And my pocket's right. And my diamonds right. And my mama's nice. And my dad is dead. You faggots scared. Cause I'm too wild. Been here for a while. I was like, fuck trial. I put it down. I'm so done running. If you got eyes, look at me now, bitch.
Look at me now. look at me now. Oh, I'm getting paper. Look at me now. Oh, look at me now. Yeah, I'm fresh as damn. Okay.
I'm gon' play my radio, listen to my radio, turn it up if it's too low, bitch I'm from the ghetto. I'm gon' play my ghetto stuff, listen to my ghetto stuff. I don't wanna get my ghetto stuff, so I wanna get me acting up. I'm gon' play my radio, listen to my radio, turn it up if it's too low, bitch I'm from the ghetto. I'm gon' play my ghetto stuff, listen to my ghetto stuff. I don't wanna get my ghetto stuff, so I wanna get me acting up. Ghetto vibing, I'm riding speakers, bumping and stuff. Thumping, I'm in the hood, they hear me, they know what's up. That's my radio, it's too low. I gotta turn it up some more. Them Vegas knocking, my project jumping. They bout to call them for. We got a problem, you feel that bottom. I'm from the bottom. I dare your partner that dropping my trunk will hit you like choppers. Don't play with me, I got the bump with me. Damn it, that's 418. You think it was mean? 1,000 watts clean. Call me the music fiend. I should be crown king. Every time I hit the scene, you feel that earthquake, the earthquake. Turbulence, that's every day. Go out, I'm in your face, I'm in the streets, that's what I say. I'm gon' play my radio, listen to my radio, turn it up if it's too low. Bitch, I'm from the ghetto. I'm gon' play my ghetto stuff, listen to my ghetto stuff. I don't wanna get my ghetto stuff, so I wanna get me acting up. I'm gon' play my radio, listen to my radio, turn it up if it's too low. Bitch, I'm from the ghetto. I'm gon' play my ghetto stuff, listen to my ghetto stuff. I don't wanna play my ghetto stuff, so I wanna get me acting up. Something serious, that business, boy, somebody in trouble. That thing like a foe system surrounding you like a huddle. That's my show. Top a club, pop on me, you hear like dope knockers. Head, I set you up like propellers on them helicopters. Make way, you feel that bass under that bass. If you ain't spent 20 grand on them bangers, it's just a waste. I'm breaking glass, deep in your plexiglass. Might get your windows smashed. I keep it on